It's time for the moment you've been waiting for. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Tsh, da, 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 da. Di, da, di, di, da, di, di, da, 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 da. Di, da, di, li, da, di, li, di, da. Di, da, di, li, di, da, di, li, 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 da, di, da, di, da, di, di, da. Preparing the Krabby Patty.
After a long day of camping, it's nice to unwind with a nice, relaxing campfire song. I call this one the Campfire Song. Let's gather around the campfire and sing our campfire song. Our CAMPFIRESONG song. And if you don't think that we can sing it faster, then you're wrong. But it'll help if you just sing along. CAMPFIRESONG song. CAMPFIRESONG song. And if you don't think that we can sing it faster, then you're wrong. But it'll help if you just sing along. CAMPFIRESONG song. Patrick!
Song! CAMPFIRESONG!
Clifford! Good! It'll help if you just sing along. Nah, wasn't that relaxing?
EDSA Revolution, the powerful force of democracy is the masses or the people. The proclamation of martial law in September 21, 1972 by President Marcos suppressed our basic rights by the military rule.
Through this happening, Ninoy Aquino decided to return to the Philippines. But then again, his assassination happened in Manila International Airport.
Ninoy Aquino's assassination caused the Filipinos and his wife, Corazon Aquino, angry to the government.
Since then, many groups were organized. Also, there was a snap election held where Marcos' party was confident to win by landslide.
The snap election result in February 11, 1986, then Tamperel saw that Mrs. Aquino won the election, but the COMELEC declared that Marcos won. These events started the EDSA revolution. Because of Marcos cheating during the election, his Vice Chief of Staff, Fidel Ramos, and Defense Minister Juan Ponce Enrile decided to take a side with the people. The bloodless revolution with young and old people members of the church, Mrs. Aquino and many others had a memorable walk of freedom in EDSA. They made themselves as barriers to prevent the group of military to have a bloody war.
On February 25, 1986, the unified voice of Filipino people were heard all over the world. Entertainers joined the first female press and flashed the Laban sign as yellow and white ribbons were waved.
Through their hard work, the EDSA revolution was successful. Philippines again got democracy and freedom as Marcos and his family left for Hawaii.
La 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 la